The Lagos Blue Line to get new trains soon. 6 additional train sets will be in Lagos very soon to strengthen the capacity of the Lagos Rail Mass Transit, LRMT, Blue and Red lines to deliver value to commuters and thereby increase the economic viability of the state. The 6 train sets, which have scaled the factory acceptance test hurdle, are scheduled for shipment to Lagos from China. The addition of the train sets to the Blue Line rolling stock will increase the number of train trips along the corridor and will be deployed for passenger operation to Okokomeko when Phase 2 of the Blue Line is completed. The types of trains proposed for the Blue Line rail project are electric multiple units, EMUs. EMUs are emissions-free and therefore do not pose problems of environmental pollution usually associated with conventional diesel locomotives. EMUs are proven to be more efficient and easier to maintain than diesel locomotives. It is projected that the construction of the Phase 2, from Mile 2 to Okokomeko, about 14 kilometers in length, will be completed within the first quarter of 2027 and passenger operations extended to Okokomeko shortly after. The completion of infrastructure for the first phase of the Blue Line, a 13-kilometer rail route from Marina to Mile 2, was launched by former President Muhammadu Buhari on the 23rd of January 2023, and passenger operation opened on the 4th of September 2023 by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The Blue Line currently runs 72 trips per day, and with the procurement of 3 additional rolling stock, the trips are expected to increase. The Blue Line connects Lagosians from Marina to Mile 2, providing a reliable and efficient transportation option. Commuters, including white-collar workers, entrepreneurs, students, and tourists, have embraced the rail system, contributing to the growth of the state's economy.
Doors open on left.
Ojalabi said over the past year, the Blue Line has served an impressive 2 million passengers without significant disruptions. In August 2024, we increased the daily frequency of trips from 54 to 72, reducing travel time between Marina and Mile 2 from about 30 to 18 minutes. The success of the Blue Line has garnered international attention, attracting interest from potential investors in future rail infrastructure projects in Lagos. This milestone underscores our commitment to providing world-class transportation solutions for our citizens. Also, the African Development Bank, AfDB, keen to boost Lagos transport system with Purple Line, other rail projects. Lagos transport system received a boost today from the African Development Bank, AfDB, with a promise to work with the Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority, LRMT, to develop another rail line. The bank is also interested in partnering with LRMT to expand the capacity of the existing rail system. AfDB Vice President, Private Sector Infrastructure and Industrialization, Mr. Solomon Keenor gave the assurance while on a visit to LRMT in the company of Mr. Mayowa Ayodele, Non-Sovereign Operations and Private Sector Equity Specialist, head of a visit of the technical team to assess the Purple Line. The visit follows a recent pitch for investment on 60-kilometer Lagos Rail Mass Transit, LRMT, Purple Line at the African Development Bank Forum in Morocco, where the Lagos delegation was led by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The visit is to further discuss collaboration on the project and other lines outlined in the Lagos Strategic Transport Master Plan, (STMP). The delegation toured the LRMT Blue Line and expressed satisfaction with the progress of the Blue Line rail system. This visit signifies a significant step forward in securing funding and expertise for the ambitious rail projects envisioned for Lagos, to further enhance the city's transportation infrastructure and improving the quality of life for its residents. The Lagos Train Mass Transit System is an essential component of the city's plans for modernizing its transportation infrastructure and improving the quality of life for its residents. When fully operational, it is expected to significantly reduce traffic congestion, improve air quality, and provide a more reliable and sustainable commuting option for the people of Lagos. Currently, the Lagos train system is comprised of several lines, with the Blue Line and Red Line being the most prominent and ongoing projects. These lines are designed to alleviate the congestion on Lagos roads and provide commuters with a faster and more reliable option for travel.
It's the train.
The Lagos state government, in collaboration with the Nigerian federal government, has been working to develop and expand the train network in Lagos, aiming to provide an efficient, affordable, and sustainable alternative to road transport. The managing director of LRMT also revealed that the Lagos state government, under Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, is working towards the realization of the Lagos Rail Mass Transit, LRMT, Green and Purple lines. The LRMT Green Line is a proposed 68 km metro rail project that will span from the Lekki Free Zone to Marina, while the Purple Line is planned to connect Redemption Camp to Oho, near Lagos State University, Leju.
Passengers should not navigate the plate line themselves before the passenger.